Alright guys, welcome back to Our World Outdoors. Today we're out starting our second year of North Country Trail Miles, North Country 100 challenge hike. So we break it up into sections. This year we are doing different from everything we did last year as much as possible. We do have some big trips set up to get big chunks of it. But today we are out by Ash Caves here in Hocking County, Ohio. We have actually staged one vehicle at Ash Caves parking lot, and we are at North Branch Road intersection here with another road.
I think it's Burgoon.
We think it's Burgoon. We'll leave the actual coordinates to this location in the description box below, and we will verify the name of that road as we're going out, as we see it. But basically it's just a little three-way intersection. You can see the truck behind us pulled off the road. North Branch Road sign number 22. A little bridge here. Location's not hard to find if you follow it out. Basically we're thinking this is going to be like, I don't know, 5 or 6 miles. It's about 22 degrees out right now, so it is a very, very chilly day. So we're going to get moving. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, 2020 NCT, here we go.
Alright guys, so we just finished Lowry Road. We're about to make a left. Not sure what the name of that road is, but whenever we see it, we'll let you know. But, and a couple neat little waterfalls as you can see on it, alongside the road. So, it is a road walk, but you can see some neat things on this one.
So many people think of Old Man's Cave as the main cave system or the satellite parks around it. You guys got to understand, the whole county is like this, and so are the surrounding counties. Southeast Ohio is a beautiful place. There's so many things you can come see and do. Nobody really can understand the full effect that you can get until you're out here on these back roads just looking at what we drive by every day. I mean, honestly, this is our world. This is where we live. This is the beauty we get to see every single day as we drive around town or around our area. Doing these NCT miles even allows us who live in the area to explore places that we normally wouldn't have seen. And to come out and do it in the early winter, the late winter, early spring, we get to come out and see it with ice. We get to see it when it's cleared out, where nature's foliage isn't blocking most of it. It's really a beautiful thing, and it's still early enough in the season. Any of you guys want to go sign up for the NCT 100 mile, we highly encourage it.
Look at that little waterfall.
Now we just found another waterfall and a whole sheer side of ice. Check this out. So today, now that we're 3.5 miles through, we're having apples for snacks. I know normally that's not what we have, but we're kind of on a quest to lighten up the one thing that we can still lighten up, because our gear is already pretty light. So we're trying to lighten our bodies up. We're going to talk about that in another video, but if you've been watching our Frugal Homestead channel, our other channel that we use for our homesteading and food and such, we've been hammering down on our diets. As of this morning, you're at like 9 or 10 pounds in 6 weeks, right?
Yeah, about 9 pounds.
All right, and as of this morning, I was 236, which makes it what?
About 35 pounds.
35 pounds in 6 weeks. So yeah, we'll be talking about this more in another video, but little changes. It's all it takes. Planning on being a lot leaner on the trail to make the miles a lot easier on my feet. So we're gonna eat our apples, drink some water, and get back to it. 3.5 miles in. I'm interested to see how many total miles we're gonna get out of this bad boy.
On this beautiful, cold winter day.
Cold. All right, guys, so we made it to 56. We're gonna hang a right and hoof it down to Ash Cave. We probably won't be able to film much because of traffic. As you can see, it's gonna be pretty busy, so we'll get back with you when we get down to Ash Cave. All right, guys, so we made it back to Ash Cave, made it back to the truck. We got to go back and drive and get the other truck we left at the other end. Like we said, the coordinates for that will be in the description box. That road changes names so many times I can't even begin to tell you guys what it is, but you'll find it. Just look at how we pointed it out in the bridge and the crossroads, you'll find it.
And you'll see the blazes. It'll be easy to follow.
Yeah, the blazes on the way out are not as noticeable as they are on the way back. So if you're going out and you're like, I don't see many blazes, don't freak out, because when you turn around and go the other way, there's plenty of them.
Yes.
This was an excellent hike. Waterfalls, rock features, ice, I mean, just beautiful. If you want an easy hike and get some NCT miles, or just go out and explore part of the Hocking Hills you haven't seen yet, this is the place to come. Come hike to here, and then maybe you can just go across the street or have you a picnic here at Ash Cave. Either way, it's awesome, and I've had a great time today. What about you?
I've had a great time. So much so that I am actually going to make sure I message one of my friends and let her know about this hike, because it is an amazing road walk.
Yeah.
I mean,
wintertime is the time to do these road walks. When you got to do NCT and get your road walks, that's the time to do it, because it's really pretty. But we really appreciate you guys coming along with us. If you watched this far into the video, thank you.
Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you up the trail. Let's go get my truck.
Let's go. Hey, you guys got to leave. We're going. Bye.
Bye.